Welcome back, students. This is Mr. Holmes. This week we are talking about shape and form. All right, let's dive in here. What is a shape? A shape is a two-dimensional area that's defined in some way, either with an outline or a boundary around it. Shapes come in two varieties. They can be geometric or organic. I'm going to substitute natural or free form for organic as well throughout this little lecture here. Here are our three basic shapes. I'm sure we are all familiar with them. We have our circle, our square, and a triangle. Guys, pick your favorite. You can't do it. They're all too good. We also have geometric shapes. Geometric shapes is a more particular definition of a shape. It's a precise shape that can be described using mathematical equations. Now, your circle, square, and triangle, all those geometric shapes are variations or combinations of these three basic shapes. We have some example of artwork that was created using only basic shapes for their composition. Notice the use of color in here. Now, last week we spoke on value. You're not going to notice a lot of value shifts in a lot of this style of artwork. This is the man himself. This is Piet Mondrian. He is a very famous Dutch painter, and this is not the last time this week you'll hear me talk about a Dutch painter. He was in part of the style of what we call de stijl, which is actually Dutch for, quote, the style. They're very creative back then when they're naming their art movements. This is the style in which artists were creating compositions using basic geometric shapes. And this piece behind him is one of his most famous paintings he created. This period was around from 1917 to 1931, is where most of the de stijl artwork was created from. We also have organic shapes. They're irregular. They're uneven. They're going to appear in nature, or at least appear like they could be in nature. They're also known as free form. Here's our free form or organic examples here. You're going to notice that there's a lot less harsh lines, a lot less straight lines going on, and there's more curves and a more organic feel to the compositions and the color choices as well here. Form, what's form? Is an object having three dimensions, or in some cases, the illusion of having three dimensions. Forms are not restricted to one type of shape. They can be geometric or organic or a combination of both. Here are our basic forms: your sphere, your cube, your cone, your pyramid, and your cylinder. Now, these are all just made up of basic shapes. And here's a fun little clip to end on today. Right, now, we probably all can't draw circles quite as nice as SpongeBob can, but we can, something to aim for in the future.